Hello, my name's Oliver and welcome to Crypto Bible News. In today's news, we'll be looking at the following stories. Coming up, America gives the green light to Bitcoin and British investors will reap the rewards. Also, we've got Bitcoin crashed 87% on Binance's US exchange due to the Algo bug. Also, YouTube channels hacked and rebranded for live streaming crypto scams. And lastly, but not least, the Alpha Impact launches the platform to connect beginners with top crypto traders. Now, just before we get stuck into the news stories, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be sure to turn on all of those notifications because trust me, you do not want to miss the content we've got coming up. Let's get on with the first news story then. America gives the green light to Bitcoin and British investors will reap the rewards. Now, Bitcoin's journey into the mainstream has been a bit of a bumpy ride, but a game-changing move by America's financial regulator may have just tipped the balance in favor of the cryptocurrency and its widespread adoption. America's Security and Exchange Commission this week gave the green light to the first Bitcoin exchange traded fund. Said that a bit funny there. An eagerly anticipated move that contrasts with a downbeat stance on the cryptocurrencies from other financial watchdogs around the world. In Britain, the Financial Conduct Authority this year banned the sale of funds linked to cryptocurrencies to DIY investors, while China's central bank last month branded all cryptocurrency transactions illegal. How dare they? The SEC paved the way for the launch of ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, which attracted $1.1 billion at £796 million of investors' money in its first 2 days of trading. American DIY investors can now add a Bitcoin fund to their investment and retirement portfolios as easily as if they were buying shares. Bitcoin trading was buoyant in response, with the price of the leading cryptocurrency this week surpassing $66,000 per coin for the very first time. Jurian Timmer of the fund group Fidelity said investors should not underestimate the significance of Bitcoin's effective rubber stamping by the US authorities. This is a very important milestone and it shows that the US government supports cryptocurrencies, he said. The SEC decision is an implicit nod to Bitcoin as a legitimate financial tool and suggests that regulation will not shut down in America, which is the world's most important financial market. Mr. Neuroter argued that Bitcoin could serve as a hedge against inflation by preserving its value when traditional currencies lost theirs, as well as having the capacity for explosive returns. These characteristics combine to create a unique alternative asset, he said. British investors have fewer avenues to buy cryptocurrencies than their American counterparts. However, access to a fund such as the ProShares ETF, which hold futures contracts that track the Bitcoin price rather than investing directly in the cryptocurrency, has been blocked by the FCA. Buying it directly via exchanges such as Coinbase or eToro is the only option for UK investors. The FCA has also sounded a warning to those who do so, cautioning investors earlier this year that they should be prepared to lose all their money. Crypto critics dispute that Bitcoin is on a one-way path to wider acceptance. Felix Milton, a financial planner at Philip J. Milton and Company, said that while digital currencies were not going to disappear, more stringent regulation was inevitable, which could cause the Bitcoin price to collapse. Every get-rich-quick scheme has eventually been regulated, he said, that this is the way that cryptocurrency is going. Governments need to control money supply and prevent money laundering, so I expect that there will be steps taken to rein in the cryptocurrency use. However, enthusiasts have predicted a continued climb in the Bitcoin price following the SEC's move. Simon Peters of eToro said the launch of a regulator-approved fund could encourage larger investors that have previously shunned cryptocurrencies to give them their backing. What this looks like in practice is pension and retirement funds joining the crypto market. The introduction of these investors gives massive scope for the long-term appreciation in the value of Bitcoin, he said. Mr. Timmer added that the changing makeup of Bitcoin investors also suggested its rally could have longevity. He pointed to data showing a fall in the proportion of investors holding the cryptocurrency for less than 3 months, contrary to their characterization as short-term speculators. The rally from $30,000 to $60,000 in the past couple of months came with very little fanfare, he said. The share of Bitcoin held by short-term traders actually fell from a peak of 30% in the spring to around 15% now, which shows that it is not being speculators buying Bitcoin, but long-term investors. Bitcoin crashed 87% on Binance's US exchange due to the Algo bug. Another day, another major chaotic event in cryptocurrency trading. The price of Bitcoin rapidly plunged 87 on Binance's UK exchange, Thursday morning sinking as low as $8,200 from around $65,000. The price did nothing like that on other venues. On Binance, the level almost immediately snapped back to where it had been. One of our institutional traders indicated to us that they had a bug in their trading algorithm, which appears to have caused the sell-off. Binance US said in an emailed statement, "We're continuing to look into the event, but understand from the trader that they have now fixed their bug and that the issues appears to have been resolved." The plunge concurred at 7:34 a.m. New York time, according to the Binance US website. Volume on the exchange in that minute was 592.8 Bitcoin, which are worth just shy of $40 million at current prevailing prices. Mistakes like this happen throughout finance when, for instance, traders mess up details of their intended trades, entering the wrong price or order size. An erroneously large trade, as one example, can overwhelm an exchange order book, leading to a quick and massive decline. The entire US stock market famously flash crashed back in May 2010. Through equities have mostly avoided trouble since that era. This is the latest in a string of recent high-profile trading problems in crypto. Synthetify, a new decentralized exchange, was forced to shut down for a while earlier this month, shortly after its debut, because of bad data provided by the Pyth network, a price feed backed by some of the world's most well-known trading and exchange firms. Pyth malfunctioned another time in September, erroneously making it appear that Bitcoin had crashed 90%. So my question to you is, what do you think of this kind of flash crash and apparent system malfunctions affects everyday investors? We would love to get your views and thoughts in the comments section below. YouTube channels hacked and rebranded for live streaming crypto scams. A new report shared by Google's threat analysis group, TAG, highlights an ongoing phishing scam against YouTube creators, typically resulting in the compromise and sale of channels for broadcasting cryptocurrency scams. The TAG attributes the attacks to a group of hackers recruiting in a Russian-speaking forum who hacked the creator's channel by offering fake collaboration opportunities. Once hijacked, the YouTube channels are either sold to the highest bidder or to a broadcast cryptocurrency scam. A large number of hijacked channels were rebranded for cryptocurrency scam live streaming. On account trading markets, hijacked channels range from $3 US dollars to $4,000 US dollars, depending on the number of subscribers. The YouTube accounts are reportedly being hacked using cookie theft malware, a fake software configured to run on a victim's computer without being detected. TAG also reported that the hackers also changed the names, profile pictures, and content of the YouTube channels to impersonate large tech or cryptocurrency exchange firms. According to Google, the attacker live streamed videos promising cryptocurrency giveaways in exchange for an initial contribution. The company has invested into the tools to detect and block phishing and social engineering emails, cookie theft, hijacking, and crypto scam live streams as a countermeasure. Given the ongoing efforts, Google has managed to decrease the volume of Gmail phishing emails by 99.6% since May 2021. With increased detection efforts, we've observed attackers shifting away from Gmail to other email providers, mostly email.cz, sesnam.cz, post.cz, and AOL.com. Google has shared the above findings with the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, of the United States for further investigation. So remember, if something looks too good to be true, it probably is, and it's usually a scam. If you've been victim of one of these scams before or have any personal experience, do let us know about it in the comments section down below. Alpha Impact launches platform to connect beginners with top crypto traders. Social trading platform Alpha Impact today has launched its copy trading platform, which allows cryptocurrency investors to copy bets made by top performing traders. Apart from copying the trades of seasoned investors, newbie investors can also access latest news from crypto experts and learn the art of crypto investing, learning through masterclasses and guides. In turn, traders on the platform benefit from growing a follower fan base as a trusted opinion leader, which allows them to earn a passive income from subscriptions and via a revenue sharing model that lets them earn a commission for each trade. Traders will be charged a 0.5 to 1% transaction fee for each such trade. There is too much noise and too much volatility from unqualified people hyping or hating coins, said Hayden Hughes, CEO of Alpha Impact. We want to educate people about crypto trading and value investing by building a hub for investment insights where users can identify a top trader based on the trader's actual trading history, he added. While other copy trading platforms keep traders anonymous, Alpha Impact encourages traders to become key influencers and bridges the communication between followers and traders to simplify copy trading and empowering people. Traders can select master traders based on themes like DeFi traders, NFT traders, BTC traders, and as well as low risk and low volatility. Advanced customers are allowed to find a trader for copy trading in the options market. So what do you think of platforms like this? Are they good for crypto investors and crypto traders? Have you had any direct experiences with one of these trading platforms? As always, if you had, we would love to hear your thoughts and feedback down in the comments section below. And as always, please don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe to Crypto Bible, and don't forget to turn on notifications because you do not want to miss any new videos. Join our discussion group, and you can find us all on our social media platforms on the links below in the description. Thanks for watching.